welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW iX2 finished in a metallic black sapphire. This is a 2026 fully electric vehicle with automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features. So if you come along to the side here, we have our upgraded diamond cut 19-inch alloy wheels. Coming to the front now, we of course have our iconic BMW kidney grills, adaptive LED headlights. On the side we have gloss black trims across the windows. Here we have a spoiler and automatic opening and closing boot functionality. Taking a look inside, we have plenty of compartment space here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Here you can press this button and it automatically shuts. Moving now to the rear passenger seats. Take a look at the interior. We have a combination of leather and suede in a matte black finish with some M Sport stitching here and on the sides of the doors. We have our ISOFIX child seating support systems as standard. Taking a seat, we have plenty of legroom space. Some AC controls on the back, USB-C port for charging, and extra compartment space on the sides of the doors. Now in the driver's seat, push start for the engine. Here is our instrument cluster with our speedometer. And here we have our infotainment menu with our navigation settings, media settings with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Some telephone settings, and if you put it here into reverse, here we can see a panorama view of the rear. We have parking assist view, and this does also come with ultrasonic sound sensors, as you could hear earlier. From here we can also configure the climate. This is a dual climate control zones in the front. Moving down, you can see ambient lighting and silver and aluminium chrome accents. Here we have some demisting front and rear. Compartment for your phone, cup holder, USB-C ports for charging. Here is our gear and transmission. Some extra space underneath, and if you press this button, down the center as well. Now focusing on the steering wheel, we have cruise settings on the left and media functions on the right. We do have a booster and paddle shift on the left. On the sides of the doors we have automatic opening and closing windows, and as well as electronic folding mirrors. This beautiful BMW iX2 is available for purchase on joeduffy.ie, joeduffybmw.ie, and across various of our car selling websites. All BMW approved used cars come with a 2-year warranty. If you'd like to book an appointment, a test drive, have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us here at joeduffybmw.ie.